Instead of a traditional exam or paper assignment, consider having your students create and submit a VoiceThread media project. This can be as simple as presenting a chapter or concept from their text to a comprehensive portfolio reflecting on their growth in the course. To get started, click on Content in the navigation bar. Next, find the module you want to store it, and this demonstration will add a VoiceThread assignment to our Watch module. Click Add Existing Activities and select External Learning Tools. Now scroll down and select VoiceThread. This adds a link to your account, which will be replaced by the VoiceThread after we select it. Go ahead and click on the link. Before I select an option under VoiceThread Setup, I change the title so students can identify the assignment. In this case, I'm going to change it to VoiceThread Student Project. Now I'm going to select Assignment Builder from the options below. From here, I can select from 3 different graded options. Create a VoiceThread, which requires your students to submit a VoiceThread that they create, like a media project. Submit a comment, which requires your students to make at least one comment on a VoiceThread. And watch a VoiceThread, which requires your students to watch your VoiceThread lecture. Again, these options allow you to grade your students' participation, and that grade will sync with your OAKS gradebook. For this demonstration, we will select Create a VoiceThread to set up our student project. The description is where you'll put your instructions for the assignment. If they need to refer to the syllabus or a rubric in another module within OAKS, you can list that there as well. Underneath Create Assignment, you can allow students to resubmit the assignment, but I typically don't enable that option. Okay, then we'll click Create Assignment. Once the assignment has been created, scroll down and find Assessment. Here's where you're going to attach a grade item from your gradebook to this particular project. If you've used your syllabus to set up your gradebook in advance, you'll find those listed here. But if not, you can also create a grade item by clicking on the plus sign. I did set up my gradebook before, so I'm going to go ahead and select Student Project for my grade item, and then click Save. Now when we scroll up, if we click Refresh, you can see we have one student in our course, and they have not submitted the assignment yet, so I can click on Remind to actually email that student to submit the assignment, or if I have multiple students, I can click Remind All Students to send them all an email to complete the assignment. Now let's switch over to the student view to see what that looks like. Okay, from the student view, I'm in the Watch module. If I click on the VoiceThread student project, let's see what happens. You can see all the VoiceThreads that the student has created. There are no instructions here because we didn't put anything in the description, but that's normally where they would appear. And then as a student, I can click on the particular VoiceThread that I want to submit for my assignment, and I can click Submit Assignment. If I also want to share this via the course portal, I can click Share with Class, and then all of my classmates can see that as well. But as a student, I'm just going to click Submit Assignment. And now we'll switch back to the instructor view. And now I'm going to go ahead and refresh. Okay, I can see my student has submitted a VoiceThread for the assignment. I can click on it, see when they submitted it and the time, and I can look through their VoiceThread and see if they met all the requirements on our rubric or what we discussed in class, and then I can give them a grade for this particular project. Okay, and that grade was saved. Now if I go to Grades, Grades, and go to Enter Grades, I should see now on that VoiceThread student project that they got 100%.